is Dawn Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60, and today I'm going to be making Snickerdoodle Mini Muffins. We're going to need a cup of flour, a half a cup of butter, 1.5 cups of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, a half a cup of Greek yogurt, a quarter cup of vegetable oil, 1 egg, a teaspoon of vanilla, a teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and a half a teaspoon of baking soda. So let's get started. We're going to mix together our half a cup of Greek yogurt, teaspoon of vanilla, quarter cup of vegetable oil, half a cup of sugar, and 1 egg at room temperature. We're going to mix these ingredients together. Now we're going to whisk together a cup of flour, a half a cup of sugar, salt, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. We're going to whisk in our yogurt mixture into our flour mixture. I'm going to be using a mini cupcake pan with 24 cups. I've already buttered each cup, and now we're going to put a little less than a tablespoon of batter in each cup. We're going to bake this for 10 minutes at 350 degrees. Our muffins are ready. Now we're going to let them cool for 10 minutes. They look and smell delicious. While we're waiting for our muffins to cool, we're going to mix together a half a cup of melted butter, a half a teaspoon of nutmeg, 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon, and a half a cup of sugar. We're going to mix that all together. We're going to take our muffins and we're going to dip them in our sugar mixture. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you for cooking with me.